What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to channel 329. Today's video is going to be about the Pepe. Okay, guys, so new meme coin. It's on Gecko. Okay, this thing was launched 4 days ago. 4 days ago, or was published on CoinGecko yesterday. What day is today? 19th. Yesterday. Okay, and from yesterday to today, 413% up. Right, this thing it's insane. Right, guys, we already know about meme coins, and meme coins, they are just simple meme coins. But eventually, those meme coins, they gain traction, they become more than meme coins. For example, nowadays, you can use Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, to make payments, right? In Paris, Burger Kings, you can pay with Shiba, okay? And a few countries, I think in Italy, and a few other countries in Europe, you can use Shiba, BTC, Doge to make payments, okay? So, there we go. So today's video is about Pepe, all right? So I just purchased 50 bucks of Pepe, right? So if you come over here, oh, I'm not logged in. Otherwise, I would show you. So I spent 50 bucks on Pepe, right? And my entry price was like 24 something, right? So, just a gamble, it could go down or it could go up. But, I have a good feeling about this. I might be wrong. Don't quote me on this. But if this thing pumps, I will make some profits, right? If not, it is what it is, just 50 bucks, right? But just because this just launched recently, I was like, okay, this is fresh, this is new, liquidity is still very low, market cap is very low, so, let's go ahead and gamble 50 bucks and let's see what it takes us. And as you can see right here, the trading volume, it's insane. Okay, buys 13k sale, buys 8,000 sales. Buying volume 47 million, selling volume 46 million, right? Buyers 8,000 buyers, sellers 4,000 sellers. So clearly you can see that we have more buyers than sellers. Okay, so look at this volume, insane, insane. Okay, let's go over to Pepe websites and let's see what's up. By the way, guys, the TG has over here showing 6,000, but on my phone we can see 9,000 plus subscribers. Okay, and currently we have 2,000 members online. It's crazy, right? On the Telegram group, on the Twitter page, we have 28,000 followers. Okay, this thing it's growing rapidly, very, very fast. Let's go over to Pepe website and let's see what's up. Pepe, the most memeable meme coin in experience. The dogs have had their day. It's time for the Pepe to take reign. Woo! Yeah, over here it shows you where you can buy the Pepe coin. I bought mine from gate.io, but if you come over here to CoinGecko, you can find the exchange where you can buy the coin. Okay, let's go and check it out at Tokenomics. Initially, this is just a meme coin, stealth launched with no pre-sales, zero tax, LP burn, and contract renounced. Pepe is a coin for the people forever, fueled by pure mimetic power. Let Pepe show you the way. In Lord Keck we trust. Who the hell is Keck? But anyway, how to buy, you gotta create the wallet, blah blah blah. Suppose at this time you already know what to do, right? So Tokenomics, 420, damn. Is this billion, trillion, quadrillion? I don't know. But this number is huge. Okay? This number is huge. 420, I would say billion. Okay? Or quadrillion. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Probably quadrillion. I would say 420 quadrillion tokens. Right? So no tax, no crap, it's that simple, okay? 90% of the tokens were sent to the liquidity pools, tokens were burned, and contract is renounced. The remaining 6.9% of the supply is being held in a multi-sig team wallet only to be used as tokens for future centralized exchange listings, bridges, and liquidity pools. This wallet is traceable with the ENS name PEP Exchange Wallet. Okay, roadmap. Okay, phase 1, the meme coin. Okay, phase 2, the vibe and hold. Phase 3, generation health. Okay, cool. I like that. So launch, we got lots of holders. Let me see how many holders we have already. We come over here to token sniffer. Oh, just gonna go to the contracts right there, and let's see how many holders we got on this thing. But I believe a lot because you can see lots of buyers and sellers, right? So 22,000 holders. Damn, that's a lot of holders for a fairly new coin. Okay, that's a lot of holders. And other accounts, and we got the wells right there. But yeah, we got lots of holders. Okay, so we surpassed this one. Get Pepe trending. It's trending already. Okay, so we passed this one. We got more than 20,000 holders, partnerships, da da da. So we can see the phases. Okay, over here we got the social contacts. But yeah, that's about it in regards to Pepe. Not much to say. This is just a meme coin, just like every other meme coin started, right? So they all started the same way, just a meme coin, just a joke. But eventually they builds an army, and they become quite well known. And surprisingly, this thing is ranking 293 on CoinGecko. Okay, so it's one of the top 300 coins, which is pretty amazing, right? Because this thing it just launched. It just launched. That's why I'm amazed with it, right? But yeah, it is crazy the way this thing is performing. But only time will tell how it will actually end up, right? I spent $50 on it. I don't regret it. So I'm gonna hold it for a few weeks, months, probably a year, and from there I will see if I made it a loss or a profit. So that being said, guys, all the links gonna be down in the description. Okay, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.